Hello, my first graders. I hope you are ready for our phonics, the last phonics of the week, and then it's Thanksgiving. Yay! Although this has been a pretty fun week, despite our special circumstances, it's still been pretty fun. All right, let me share my screen. Fun, fun, fun. All right. I had a paper clip up here somewhere. And now I don't know where it is, but that's okay because you may not have a paper clip. And so here's what we're going to do. We're going to find something small and maybe this will work and we're going to spin it. Well, how about we just forget the spinning part? If the word begins with a BR, you are going to color that word red. Okay, so here's our key. We're making our key. If it starts with the BR blend, we're going to color it red. If it begins with the blend BL, we're going to color it yellow. If it starts with the blend FR, we're going to color it blue. If it begins with the blend SL, we're going to color it orange. And if it begins with the blend FL, we're going to color it green. Okay. All right. So we're going to take a look at each word and try to read it. I'll help you with a couple, and then you're on your own to practice. Okay. Slide. Slide. Ooh. Which blend is that? That's the SL. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to color. Basically just trace it and color it in orange. Okay, what about this one? Bread. Bread. That's a BR, so we're going to trace it with red. Okay, let's try a couple more. What about blue? Blue. I recognize that color word. We're actually going to trace it yellow. Okay. And what about fruit? Fruit. That has the FR blend. We're going to trace with blue. Okay. If you do happen to have a paper clip, then what you would do is put the paper clip down here, hold it with the pencil, flick and spin. And whatever one it landed on, then you'd have to find that blend and then color it that color. Okay. My paper clip has vanished. I really don't know where it went. I just had it. But that's okay, because we can improvise because we are flexible. All right, this page. Ooh, we've been needing some practice because sometimes during calendar, we're getting the days wrong. And we need to nail this skill. It is a very, very important skill. I mean, come on, it's the days of the week, right? So try to get it unblurry. There we go. Okay, so we're first going to cut out our days of the week. Be responsible with your trash. It's already started with Sunday. So it's given us the first day of the week to get you started. I've seen some calendars, it's really weird, that start with Monday, but that's not how the official calendar starts. It starts with Sunday. All right, now, so what's our song? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Okay, so now we've laid them out in order. I'm going to carefully scooch them. Tuesday does not want to go anywhere. Now we're going to glue them in order. So Monday, Tuesday, go right there. Wednesday, go right there. Thursday, we'll go there. Friday, and then there's Saturday. Boop. Okay, now we're going to write them in order. This is very, very important practice. And guess what? When we get to talking about capitalization in January, we usually start that halfway through our year in January. We talk about things like days of the week and the month of the year are always capitalized because they are proper nouns. They're a specific name of a thing, in this case, a day of the week. So make sure that when you are writing them, your first letter is capitalized and all of your other letters are lowercase. Okay? You don't need me to write these out. You got this. Just make sure that the first letter of each word is capitalized. Okay? Oh, there's a sherbet in her bed now. All right. Ooh, now we've got some short O CVC words. I'll get my dice. I will roll and get you the first letter, and then you will make it a CVC word with that third letter. Okay? All right. Are you ready, Sherbert? She's like, I just want to be left alone in my little corner with nobody bothering me. Oh, I think OJ is in the other cat bed that's in my bedroom. They're just like, everybody needs to leave me alone. You and the kid have been home all day, every day this week. We usually just get peace and quiet. And you guys are home all the time. It's thrown them off this week. All right, I have rolled a 5. So we're gonna write, let's see. I rolled a 6, so we're gonna write A. Another 6, another J. A 1, so we're writing D. Another 5. Okay, let's see, we've gotten a D, we've gotten C, and we've gotten J. Okay, let's see. A couple more rolls. Oh, we got another J. I want to make sure that you're making at least one CVC word with each. Okay, so here's L. I rolled 4 and 3. So we get an H. Give us a 2. That's a P. And then let's see, we've done all of the letters once. We landed on H. Whoops, my marker kind of scooched there when it wasn't supposed to. All right, so you will write the third letter. Okay. All right. Oh. Ooh. So this one you will need a paper clip for. Okay, but you know what? You first graders, let's. We could also. You could just survey your family. That would be fun. Ask everyone in your family what their favorite part of turkey dinner is. And we could even take some information from our research journal. That might be fun. Okay, let's see. We had, oh, but corn wasn't on there. Oh, I've never had corn at my family's Thanksgiving. That's an interesting choice. All right, well, we had four who liked turkey. We had 2 who liked mashed potatoes, and we had 8 who liked pie. So that just fills up the whole thing right there. And not even because this graph only goes to 7. So you could do it that way. If you do happen to have a paper clip, you're supposed to keep spinning until one of them picks up or fills up. Or you can go to your family and ask which one is your favorite. Last year during our digital learning in the first grade math, we did our unit on graphing. And so there were several things of, ask your classmates and fill in the graph. So I actually went onto my Facebook and said, Lynn's doing this for math, so which is your favorite? So I surveyed our Facebook friends. And I said, there are only 15 slots for each one. So the first 15 people to answer will get on the graph. And oh man, within half an hour, I had dozens of responses and we filled up that graph so fast. So that's another way that you can do it. Okay, whichever way you choose to do your graph, whether it's asking your family, you can use our Thanksgiving research journal. You know what? I like corn. There, let's give corn 1. Poor corn with 0. So you can either survey your family, maybe even call grandparents. Lynn called her grandma every day and asked whatever the question was, like flavors of ice cream or pizza toppings. I forget what they were. So survey your family, ask them and put down their answer. Maybe ask one of your grown-ups if they would put something on Facebook, or you could glean the information from our Thanksgiving research journal like I just did. Whichever way you choose, that's how you'll fill out the graph, okay? And then you will write your answer, which food item made it to the top first. And you'll write which one, turkey, mashed potatoes, corn, or pumpkin pie. Which food item had the least spins? Again, you'll write turkey, mashed potatoes, corn, or pumpkin pie. How many spins did the turkey and corn have all together? Don't worry about the spins if you don't spin. How many did the turkey and corn have together? So in this case, I would write 4 plus 1 equals 5. Or if you have 7 for the turkey and 5 for corn, then you will have 7 plus 5 equals, I don't know. Well, I do, but it's for you. All right. So fun, fun, fun. Getting ready for Thanksgiving. Enjoy. Have fun with it. And if you want to know what my favorite flavor or favorite food of Thanksgiving dinner is, put me down for pumpkin pie. All right, and I'll see you guys in our next one.